Hey guys, so we are here. This is the room. These are all of our things. I know the colors look a little bit weird right now, but honestly it's gonna look great. So this is our bed frame we've had for like 2 years. This is the first bed frame we ever had. That's actually gonna go inside of the closet just so we can make the space more efficient. We took off the headboard so that we can measure it just like that. And we're gonna actually put the bed in there so that we can have a whole studio set up and just making sure we have enough space.
We also have a broken window.
Yeah, we don't even have a window because that was broken by the initial users, which were his parents. They broke the window.
So this desk that's right here.
It's going in the corner over there.
This corner desk is going in here.
And
right
that
here.
way we can also do podcasts. That's what we're planning on doing right there, the
Podcasts and streaming.
And then here comes another desk there with our Mac.
And AC because it gets hot.
Yep, and then so this is our bed. I'm planning on using the whole setup here just to be able to hang things and like lights and stuff like that instead of it being a closet.
We have to measure this so we can put a little mini closet right here.
But yeah, either way, we're actually gonna go ahead and move everything to put the bed here. We're gonna go get the AC because it's so hot. And what else? And we're gonna get the wallpaper so I can decorate the headboard. And go get whatever I want. You can obviously tell it's very exhausted. Anyway, so we're here. We have tons of stuff in the room, as you guys can tell. We put a lot of things in this little storage thing we have in the garage. That's literally where all of our clothes is, and shoes, because we literally filled up our room that we were in, and that room could possibly be double the size of this actual room to find a way to fit everything. So we're gonna try to find a way to get a closet, try to find a way to fit. We still have a couch, we still have a TV stand. Our closet's still full of stuff at our place. We have a huge dresser thing, drawer, like, yeah, we still need to go do errands. It's already 6 o'clock. As you can see, I've showered in sweat. So, yeah. But this is kind of like our setup. Here's a desk. This one's where we do, this is the one we use for podcasts. So, yeah. We're gonna put another one right here. Our bed right there, because who cares about sleeping, honestly? It's all about working. So, especially now when you're not working, it's now time to work. So, yeah. Okay, so this is kind of like the storage. This is just some of our things. These shoes are, we used to have another bag full. We have all of those boxes full of shoes. This is all clothes. Clothes in that clear bin, clothes in these, clothes in that. That's ours too. All of this is ours. What do you think?
Storage unit's helping, but it's impractical because we need to come and get things.
This is just temporary storage while we get everything placed, and hopefully I can find a way to store our clothes, our shoes.
There's also a bed here for guests. So if anyone wants to sleep over, we're putting you in here.
Hey guys, so yesterday we actually didn't even find the AC. All we did was pretty much eat dinner and go on with our day. But today we are once again moving things using his dad's truck. Like literally the back is, you can't see. Through here you can see full of stuff. So right now we're gonna be heading over to his parents' house. We're dropping all of this off. I don't know what else are they gonna do, honestly. Oh yeah, and by the way, my doggy scratched my face off. So yeah, all good stuff, all good stuff. But yeah, we'll be heading over there. We literally just have the big furniture left. I don't know what else. Anyways, but yep, we're gonna get on with our day, and hopefully it'll be more successful than yesterday because I feel like we didn't really do much. So I guess today we didn't either. Interesting. This is what's left of the living room. Just bird cages and mess. This, my sister's room, just a mattress, and there goes my man with the mattress. The last part of it. And then we just need to take out the individual drawers. This is basically all that's left, guys. It's pretty much almost over. We're just picking up the trash. A little couple pieces here and there. And of course our recycling, because we're crazy recyclers. who filled up our whole storage with bags of plastic. So we're going to just head over. We have unfortunately come to pick up the recycling when the recycling place is closed. So we are going to have to keep the recycling in his dad's truck for the meantime. So once we're done, maybe you guys can get a sneak peek of that disastrous room and how it's slowly starting to look like a bedroom. So yeah. Okay, so today is the last day of this moving stuff. I know yesterday we went so wondering, because honestly I was so done after moving things down. Again, we have an entire carload, 8-seater, all the way to the back, filled with stuff. And we have a baby. I have my baby right here. I have Bram right here. He was very good at helping me load the car because he loaded everything. I just packed it. Okay, and then so right now we're actually gonna go ahead and unload all this stuff again, and we still have a whole carload probably to do right now. So see you guys later when we're hopefully done. We have so much still. We're probably just gonna shove everything in their garage because we have no more space in our room. So catch up with you guys later. Ow, baby girl. I guess that's how he lifts all the boxes. Okay, so this is a before it is ready room tour. Bunch of trash, junk, books, French shoes. This is our bed. It's literally inside of a closet. I'm like the real life Harry Potter. Anyways, of course, there we go. And the mess. So then, this is all the things we have to fix. The first thing we've got into that. And we've got that up now. So as you can see, there's no other window here. So we have to fix that somehow. But yes, we still have a lot to do. There's going to be a future updated room tour where it's actually ready, where like you can't see that because I'm planning on covering all of that once we fill it up, and once we actually have a closet. So since we're in the closet, we need to buy a closet. Kind of counterintuitive, if that's the word. What we've been working with, the restrooms nowhere close near anything ready. But right now, this is what's going on. So if you like this, if you want to keep up, if you want to see how this is going to happen and it's going to look, just stick around, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If anything, just please give us a like on this video. Give me a comment down below telling me what you think about my videos and really what you want to see or what you want to know about. I don't know. But also click that subscribe button. So thank you very much. I'm Abigail. This is Abigail's Life, and I hope you'll be tuned into it. So thank you.